concept is a solution made of a performance tracking wearable called Admos Live, working together with an open ecosystem of digital platforms that are integrating the collecting data through an API. Players are wearing the Admos Live. The new performance tracking wearable is sending the collected data, GNSS position, motion, and ECG automatically to the cloud through the 4G IoT network. Working now in 4G, we are getting ready toward 5G as well. This innovative way to share data is making the data collection in real time frictionless for the user. The athlete just wears the device and the data are sent automatically to the cloud. No more synchronization needed, no more antenna, no upload of data, and no range limitation. Data can be followed from anywhere, allowing new use cases like the monitoring of remote athletes or an easier integration of performance data with fan engagement streams. But data itself is useless if not transformed into actionable information. In this context as well, advanced sport instruments goes an innovative way. An important move was made not to offer any standard user interface. Instead, an open API links collected and enriched data with a growing ecosystem of specialized sports digital platforms. The data are transmitted automatically without any human intervention to target system in parallel. We can name athlete management systems, remote live dashboards, meaning that the staff can follow the data remotely from anywhere in the world and do not necessarily need to be on site. To give one example, that can be useful for players training remotely where data can be followed remotely. Video analysis tool, where data can be contextualized in real time or post-session without any manual action. Last but not least, with fan engagement solution that can integrate part of the performance data to enrich their content in real time.
Now let's take a look at the Admos Live device and its accessories more in details. Starting with the sensor in the heart of the device, the Global Navigation Satellite System sensor, which can record the signal from all the constellations in parallel, such as GPS, Galileo, GLONASS, and Beidou. Based on different techniques such as SBAS, Doppler effect, and our know-how, we can maximize the performance and accuracy of this system. It allows to record the data in 2 dimensions for team sports on a field, for instance, as well as 3 dimensions data for the sports where the altitude and vertical speeds are of interest. The next very important part of the device is the machine-to-machine cellular interface. This IoT modem allows the device to connect to any 4G IoT band as well as to any 2G network in case there is no 4G network available. An embedded SIM card provides the connectivity in more than 180 countries around the world. In case there is no network, we have an internal memory that allows the data buffering into the device. As soon as the device finds a network, it will send the data back to the server. Alternatively, a USB connection and a computer can be used to download the data from the device. The latency from the measurement to the server is less than a second. The 2 metallic pins at the back of the device are electrocardiogram electrodes. We have a sensor into the device that allows the measurement of the heart rate, the RR intervals, as well as the full ECG signal. In order to measure this electrocardiogram related data, the athlete must wear our new connected shirt. This very lightweight textile includes some connectivity for measuring the signals from the body in movement conditions, as it is the case in sports. The other sensors that are included into the device are a 3-axis accelerometer in order to measure all the movements. Also a 3-axis IG accelerometer used to measure the impacts on the shocks. We also have a 3-axis gyroscope to measure the angular rate, a 3-axis compass to measure the heading and directions, and the last one is an absolute pressure sensor that we use to measure the altitude and vertical speed very accurately. A Bluetooth Low Energy interface allows the device to connect to external sensors as well as to tablet or smartphones. The internal battery of the device allows more than 10 hours of usage and can be charged using the USB cable or the provided docking station. The docking station includes slots to charge up to 16 devices at a time. Last but not least, this 79 grams device is already FIFA IMS certified, and other certifications are in progress.
We realized that there is a fast-growing range of digital platforms that specialized in transforming data into actionable information, specific to a sport or specific to a segment, in performance tracking, fan engagement, or video analysis. We don't want to reinvent the wheel. Instead, we prefer to focus on our core business, which is the collection and enrichment of data in a seamless way. Data are put at the disposal of sport-specific platforms. This ensures the best user experience. Today, we are also proud to present you the first partners, the ecosystem that are fully integrating our data. Partners that have integrated the real-time flow of the Admos Live. Many others that already integrate the data of FieldWiz, white label solution, and custom developments. Today, we also release a new website that showcases the solution we are working with.
The API is the masterpiece of our new solution. It allows any third-party system to access the data of each specific ASI sensor in a seamless way. It provides live data access through WebSocket as well as post-activity data through standard requests. Thank you for your attention. Take care and see you soon, hopefully.
Thank you very much for your attention. Hope to see you soon and take care.